crack some people like UK people call it slap. You know, slap some people have to stop him from where run a one part from far. Bring it on and give him a slow motion box, boy. What is up, guys? Jamaica Risky Mega here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here. We're reacting to Duty Paid, Call Me Oga. Duty Paid, Call Me Oga. So, not sure what it is, not sure what to expect, but I'm gonna react. Him link me on my DM and say, yo, react. I said, alright then. No problem. Let's react. We are reacting. We're not breaking down. We are reacting, okay? So, if you're new here, thank you for being here. First of all, big up the new subscribers. I do see you know I really appreciate every single one. I want to big up everybody in the comment section or explain the lyrics to me that I didn't get from the last reactions. Big up on yourself. Understand? Yeah. So without further delay, let's jump straight tonight and see what yeah. Yes, eh? Duty Paid, Call Me Oga. Alright? Let's go.
She my lover, oh, she my lover, yeah.
Yeah.
She my lover, oh, she my lover, yeah.
Yeah.
She no do me, oh, she gon' do me, yeah.
Yeah, we like this already. It's an Afrobeat. It's an Afrobeat vibe. She my lover, oh, she my lover, yeah. It's a vibe. She my lover, oh, she my lover, yeah. I like it. I like this shit, man. Let's go.
She gon' do me, oh.
Yeah.
She gon' do me, yeah.
Yeah.
Baby, you're bad. How you gonna do me like that? Call me Oga.
Call me Oga. Explain the Oga part to me. Call me Oga. Oga. Call me Oga. What does Oga mean? What does Oga mean? What does Oga mean? Call me Oga. Must be something good. If you call him Oga, it must be something good, right? Alright, score!
Sweating at the weave, no cap. Baby, you're bad. How you wanna do me like that? Call me Oga. Course.
How you gonna do me like that? Call me Oga. Call me Oga. That's me doing the African dance that the guy was just doing. That's question though. Is Duty Paid a group? Is it a group, guys? Is it a group? Yeah?
Sweating at the weave, no amp to the club like Benno song. African Cisco, donna. She wants man.
What I'm saying about African Cisco? Yeah, dog. Yeah.
Me like that. Call me Oga. Caution. Sweating at the weave, no amp to the club like Benno song. African Cisco, donna. She wants man to turn up. That coochie get bun up.
Back up. She want man to turn up. That coochie get bun up. Bomba clad. Gala. Yo, the Afrobeat take over the world really not, dog. Afrobeat take over the world really not, brother. Just know that, you know, mainstream, you know, man. Yes, man.
She wants man to turn up. That coochie get bun up.
Yeah.
It's more fizzy, baby, oh. I need me a baby, oh. Pick her, give me a baby, oh. She won't be my baby, oh.
She's my baby that's gonna give me a baby. She can be my baby. Well, if her baby I go on here, so. But me get everything what him say. Me understand everything what him say. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah. She's my baby, yo. Call me Oga. Call me Oga. Hey, me have African dance, you know? Don't fuck about. I got it.
Bring back the London swag. She said that she wanted like that. Bend over, arch your back. Chiropractor make that crack.
Me like how him emphasize on the bend over and arch your back thing. Cause enough of them girls are not arch back, you know. You have to arch your back, girl. When you arch your back, everything around the back, it looks sexy. Yeah, so you arch your back. Don't unk up like common pin. No, you need to arch your back. Don't unk up like camel. Arch your back. Stretch out and arch your back. Stick your chest out. Call me Oga.
Like that. Bend over, arch your back.
Yeah.
Chiropractor make that crack. She my lover, yeah. She my lover, oh. She my lover, yeah.
uncle, you're right. I just moved in next door. I'm your neighbor. I just wanted to say hello.
Who is your uncle? Please, leave here.
Yeah.
I don't want to see you.
Leave!
Every day you've been making noise, spending time with women. In fact, smoking marijuana. In fact, I'll call the police right now.
Bumbo clad, the whole of we have that one neighbor. The whole of we have that one neighbor that can relate. He move in next year. The man doing one thing. The man having party. You see me? The man having party. The man, no matter what man do over there, if I buy him house, him have him house. If I rent him, I pay him rent. Leave him alone. Mind your own business. Where you call police for? Informer you are. You are an out farmer. You're bigger than informer. You're out. You're telling information out. You're an out farmer. The man come show him respect and you want to call police. Bright, you bright.
I don't want to see your face. Every day you've been making noise, spending time with women. In fact, smoking marijuana.
So who if you spend time with, man? No, woman the man spend time with. The right thing you do, G.
In fact, I'll call the police right now.
If I'm in my box him now, me give my hard up. Blow! Move your blood clot or call police. Where? Don't juke the 9-3 time. 1, 2, for the third time me box him. Bow! Boy, I juke 9-3 time. No, not call the police. You're an out farmer. You're an out farmer. No.
Baby, you're bad. How you gonna do me like that? Call me yoga. Sweating at the weave, no cap. Baby, you're bad. How you gonna do me like that? Call me yoga. Sweating at the weave, no cap. Understand this thing? Make you give me peeking.
Make you give me peeking. What is peeking? Is that the food them just eat all picking it, picnic, kids? I don't know.
I like breast and thigh, and I know be talking chicken.
Yeah, the man say him like breast and thigh. What him say about chicken?
I like breast and thigh.
Yeah.
And I know be talking chicken.
I like breast and thigh in your poking chicken. That does it mean? So basically, when I try to say this is I like breast and thigh, but I'm not talking about chicken. I'm not talking about KFC. No, I'm not talking about Kentucky. I'm not talking about the Colonel. No, breast and thigh. Girl, you have titty. Me like your titty. Yeah, your titty and your breast and your thigh. Titty and breast, I see anything. Idiot. Me like your breast and your, yeah.
Like, what do you mean, baby? Come play with me. Guaranteed you will leave crazy. You know what they say. Niger man moves night and day.
Bro, it's a Niger man move night and day. Yeah.
You know what they say. Niger man moves night and day. Come and lie with me, baby.
Yeah.
Break you off, she my lover. Oh, she my lover, yeah. She my lover, oh, she my lover, yeah.
This song is a vibe. Like, it's one of them songs that when you hear it, you have to move to the beat. You have to move. If you not move, something wrong with your dog. It's a vibe.
Baby, you're bad. How you gonna do me like that?
You're not about to call police again. Drunkro. Because them involve you now. You're not about to call police. You're a sappy piece of cloth. You're nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. That is what you are.
Call me yoga. Sweating at the weave, no cap. Baby, you're bad. How you gonna do me like that? Call me yoga. Sweating at the weave, no cap. Mami, yo. Mami, yo. Mami, yo. Mami, yo. Mami, yo. Mami, yo.
Yeah, baby.
Mami, yo. Mami, yo.
Song bad, you know? The song bad, you fuck. The song bad.
I'm so tired of this.
You know.
Hello, police. Hello,
What?
police. In fact, my neighbors, they've been disturbing me, making noise, and in fact, smoking all the marijuana in this world.
You just a dance. You just a dance with the girl them a while ago. Now the girl them gone, you go call police. Move your blood clot ears as sissy boy. Box off him. Give him a gladiator from round your soul. You know when you back some people like UK people call it slap. You know when you slap some people, you have to stop him from where run a one part from far. Bring it on and give him a slow motion box. Boy! You just a dance with the girl them. You just a dance with the girl them. And now the girl them gone, you go call police. You want one of them, yeah. Go come! Good job. Busha! That's a bussa! That's what you need, a bumper.
Fast. You have to come right now.
Watch out!
Right now, I need you here.
Right now. Don't you fucker! I want to have fun, man. Set. Watch your uncle, you call police. Watch him bumper club when my dance. You have to come right now. UTPaid UK. What a wicked boy. What a wicked boy. What a wicked boy. The boy I call police for the man after the girl left gone. Yeah, he's a wicked. Anyway, song bad, my G. Song bad, UTPaid. Big up on yourself. The song bad. Like the song, it's a vibe, you know? It's a vibe. I'm surprised it don't have more views, actually. But it's a vibe. You see me? Yeah. Song bad. So the link to this song will be in the description below. So check it out, guys. You know? Click like on it and tell them, say, yo, Jamaica Rest Gamer. Steady now. You understand? So, yeah. We are at the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. Big up on yourself. Alright? I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.